everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make new videos every week, beauty, luxury, those types of things. But today's video is going to be a little different because I have an unboxing. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I have the box right here. Go ahead and open it up and we'll take a look inside. Here it is. So I did buy a new Louis Vuitton handbag and I got it from the website, obviously, because you can't go into the stores right now. I will say, as a side note, if you are on the hunt for a handbag from Louis Vuitton, maybe one that's hard to get or one that's been hard to get, or any of their SLGs that are hard to get, I would recommend, and if you're able to, of course, I would recommend looking right now on the website. They're restocking it on a lot more than they usually do, just because of all the closures nationwide. So if you are looking for a difficult to get handbag SLG, now is the time to do that. So here is the box, and let's go ahead and open it, and it's in the dust bag, and I am so excited to open it. All right, so here it is, and ta-da! I got the Pochette Metis. So just give me 1 second, I'm just gonna look at it. So I got the Pochette Metis. This bag has been so difficult to get your hands on. You can hardly get it in the store. Online, it's always showing as call for availability. And this past week, I was just online browsing and I saw that they actually had it in stock. So I definitely did not waste any time, and I placed it in my cart and I just purchased it right away. It took like 2 days to get here. So today is Thursday. I purchased it on Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday or Monday night. So this is what it looks like. So with the Pochette Metises, they've actually had a lot of issues with this purse. I know that they've had like glazing issues and just overall issues with the bag itself the last couple years, where people would have to like go in and like get a new bag or get a refund and just get a different Louis Vuitton bag. So I think they've kind of worked some of those issues out a little bit. So I don't think that you should still have those issues with this bag. But it just looks absolutely perfect right now. I'm definitely going to inspect it a little bit better off camera just to make sure that everything is great and everything lines up. I did watch one video and the clasp was uneven, like it was off to the side or something like that. But this is just a beautiful bag. Like I said, they are hard to get, very hard to get. So let's go ahead and open it. And the stickers, of course, are still on there, so it wasn't a return or anything like that. So it comes with the strap on the inside, and it's wrapped up in a bag. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited. And then, of course, the filling on the inside. Well, this bag retails for about $1,800, and if you want to buy it on the pre-loved market, it actually is more expensive than that. I think like on Fashion File. That was my daughter. It does sell for more on the pre-loved market. I believe on Fashion File you can find this bag for up to $2,000. So it does keep its value. I absolutely think it's the perfect shape. I actually went on their website today and they were actually already out of stock on it. There are a couple bags that I have on my wish list that are very hard to get. So what I would recommend doing if you're on the hunt for like a Pochette Metis or a Palm Springs mini backpack, or like the mini Pochette, those types of things, I would add them to your wish list and make a Louis Vuitton account online, and then like periodically refresh throughout the day. and see if it becomes available to place in your cart, because if you see call for availability, that usually means that they don't have them available. All right, so let's talk about the compartments of the bag. It's got 3 compartments. It's got one in the back. This one fits a little tight. Sorry, let me show you. This last one is really, really tight. You probably won't be able to fit a lot in there. Probably you'll be able to fit most of your things in these 2 compartments right there. There is no zipper pouch on the inside of the bag. I know some bags have like a little zipper pouch where you can place like your card or your cell phone. This one doesn't have any on the inside. The zipper's actually on the back. So it has the pouch on the back. And of course, this fits a lot. You could probably put your cell phone back in it if you need to. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the strap to the bag. And it came in the bag, of course. One thing that I do like about this bag compared to my other bags is that on my Speedy, like it's all patina, and this part right here is just the vachetta, as well as right here. And I've seen actually some people like kind of get like a Louis Vuitton kind of scarf and they'll wrap it around, and that kind of helps protect it a little bit, even though I'm not too worried about it because I usually do take really good care of my handbags. Right here, the bag actually, I don't know if you could see it, sorry. Right here, the bag actually has room to expand. So that's actually really good as well. Let me go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my wallet and alrighty, so I did grab 2 things to go ahead and put in there just to see how it fits. So I have my Louis Vuitton wallet, and as you can see, let me go ahead and, it fits, how am I gonna do this? Okay, it fits right in there, perfect. So there's that, or it could go in the middle one, which I will say the middle compartment is the one that actually has the most room. You can open this one up quite a bit. So I'll put it in there, and wow, even then I still have a lot of room. I could probably add if you look in there, it has a lot of room. I could probably add like a sunglass case, some hand wipes, some lotion, those types of things. And then I have my clay, and I have my keys. It fits so perfectly in there. It's definitely got so much room. Even though it's square and it may look small, it's definitely not short on the room. So there is my Pochette Metis. I'll definitely do an update. I'll do a review on how I like it. So there you have it, my Pochette Metis. I'm definitely gonna inspect it a little bit more, make sure that everything looks really well as far as like the stitching and how everything lines up. And I will do a what's in my bag and how I like it. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down low in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. And if you are looking for a Pochette Metis at this current moment in time, I think it's a great opportunity to get one because of, like I said, the nationwide closures. So you'll have a better chance of getting them. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching.